Hello everyone and welcome to the next video lecture on PTS. We have already seen replace function and format function in the previous lecture. Now few more functions we are going to see in this lecture. Now let us consider a variable A which stores a string. Welcome to the world of Python. So this is my input string and I'm going to use a function called as split function in order to break down the input string into different tokens. Now tokens means different words which comprises of this input string. For example, welcome to the world of Python. These words are considered a token. By using split function I am going to separate them out. Okay. Now generally when we work with the split function, we have to provide two arguments. One is a separator, and second one is the max split. Now separator is the operator or a symbol which separates the tokens within a string from each other, and max split is the how many split you want within the single string. Okay, we will go through examples of both the parameters, and what will happen if you will not provide any of this argument to the split function. So let us consider a variable b in which I am going to store all the tokens that are splitted after using split function. I am going to perform split function on variable a which stores the above string welcome to the world of Python. So here I am going to use split function but without any argument, and then I am going to simply print variable b. Now if we will execute this function, I think spelling is wrong. Let's check out the spelling. A dot split and then function. Okay. A dot function and b. Okay, so let's execute this program. Okay, as you can see over here, the output is welcome is considered as one token, to is considered as one token, the is considered as another token, world of and Python are the remaining tokens from this input string. Now here we have not specified any of the argument, we have not specified the separator. So always remember that in split function, if you do not pass any of the separator, then by default white space will be considered as the separator. So if you are specifying it, then it is fine, but if you are not specifying any separator in the split function as an argument, then white space will be considered as the default separator. So what I am going to do over here is I am going to insert comma welcome to the world of Python. Now here I am going to consider comma as the separator, and I hope I have to represent it in single quote, and let's check out whether we'll get the output. Now what output we should get? That welcome is considered as one token and to the world of Python will be considered as two tokens. So in previous example, in previous program, there were 6 different tokens, welcome to the world of Python. But here, as I have used comma as a separator, so there will be only 2 separators. One is welcome and second one is the string after the comma. Okay, so let's execute this program and check the output. Yes, as you can see over here, welcome is considered as the first token. After that, Python programming language has encountered comma, and after comma, whatever string is left, that will be considered as the second token. Okay, now if I will mention comma over here, though it is grammatically very incorrect statement, but still for understanding purpose, if I insert comma after this, then there will be three different tokens. One will be welcome, then to the will be another token, and world of Python will be the third token. Let's check whether we are getting three tokens or not. Yes, we got three tokens. First one is welcome token, next one is to the, and next one is world of banana. World of Python. Okay. Now let us consider another example. Say for example, I have apple, then I have mango, then I have cherry, then I have banana. So I have four different fruits, and all those are separated by one symbol, that is hash symbol. So here, if I use hash, then there will be four tokens created: apple, mango, cherry, and banana. As you can see in the output, there are four different tokens created over here, that is apple, mango, cherry, and a banana. Now here the separator was considered as hash, right? Now here what I am going to do is I am going to use the second argument that we generally pass to split function. The first one was the separator. Now second one is 1. Means what? I am going to consider apple as my first token, okay, and after that, irrespective whether hash appears or do not appear, it will be divided into only one token. Okay, so let us execute this program, and as you can see over here in the output, apple is the first split. Only one split is there. Why? Because I mentioned over here one split. Okay, so apple is one token, and second token is mango, hash cherry, hash banana. If I will use two tokens, so apple will be the first token, mango will be the second token, and third token will be cherry, hash banana, right? So let's check the output of this program. Yes, you can see apple is the first token, mango is the second token, and the last token will be cherry, hash banana. So always remember one thing about a split function, that if you do not pass any argument to the split function, then by default white space will be considered as the separator. If you will pass a particular symbol as a separator or any punctuation mark as a separator, then those many tokens will be created, and a max split represents the number of splits that you want to split the input string. Okay, so this was about split function. Now second function that we are going to see is join. Now basically join function takes all items in an iterable and join them into one string. Let us consider an example where a is a variable in which I am going to store 1, 2, 3, and let us consider b is a variable in which I am going to store ab. Okay, and then I will be using print into bracket a dot join into bracket b. Right. So what I am doing is basically I am going to join string b after each character in string a. Okay, that is how we define join function. So join function basically takes all items in an iterable way and joins the string into one. Okay, now let's execute this example so that you'll understand what output means. Okay, what output is. Int. Okay, fine. So I need to convert it into string data type. So here I will be using str, and then I will execute this. Right. So look, what it has done is it has taken the second string, right, a, then 1, 2, 3 was called, and later on again b was inserted. So it has created one single string by iterating the first string over the second, right? So if you take one more example, for example, consider I'll enter C. Now what should be the output of this program now? It should be A 1 2 3, B 1 2 3 and C. Right. So we'll check whether we are getting same output or not. So execute this. Yes, we are getting same output. So A 1 2 3, B 1 2 3 and C. Right. Now if we'll do in the opposite way. Say for example here B is there. Now here A is there. Now what output we should get? 1 ABC, 2 ABC and 3. This should be the output of this program. So we'll execute this program and we'll check. Yes, we got the same output. 1 ABC, 2 ABC. Right. So this is how the join function executes. Now apart from this, most of the time join function is used with tuples or dictionaries, and I hope that you have studied tuples and dictionaries in second unit. Okay, now let us consider a tuple, my tuple, which is equal to, in the round brackets I'll mention, say for example Rahul, then I'll mention Rishi, and then I'll mention Sham in double quotes. So this is my tuple, and I'll take one more variable, say for example E division, right? Okay, and then I'll use join function on this. Say for example consider B equal to A dot join into bracket my tuple, and then I'll simply print B. Now what will be the output of this program? After Rahul E, after Rishi E, right? Look, here is the output. After Rahul E, after Rishi E. So iteratively we are inserting first second string into this tuple. Similarly, with the help of dictionaries, we can play with. So my, say for example dictionary, which is equal to, now in dictionary we have curly bracket and key value pair. Say for example name, then we have colon, again I will have, say for example Rishi, this is my first key value pair, then second again I will take class, colon and D division, right? Class FE, and this is D division. Okay, and instead of my tuple, now this will be my dictionary. Okay, now let's execute this. You can see name is there, then D, and then class. Okay, so this is how join function will work with respect to tuple and with respect to dictionaries. Okay, so basically join function takes all the items in an iterable way and joins them into one single string. Okay, so join function is very important when it comes to string. So that's all for this lecture. I hope you have understood join function and split function. If still you have any questions, you can WhatsApp me or you can call me. Thank you so much.